name is Priyan. Do you know a secret? I cook better than my mom. So let's get started. Today we're making beetroot sikanji. We need this. We washed and grated beetroot. Add 2 glasses of water. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. With the juice of 1 lemon. One teaspoon black salt. Happy Christmas, Happy Christmas. Keep the whisk aside. Now we're going to spread it. Mama, can you help me?
Sure. Easy peasy, go!
Kanji is ready. Let's serve it. Let's garnish with some mint leaf and lemon. So, bye. Merry Christmas. Enjoy. Yummy, yummy. Super duper tasty.